Walking you through the step-by-step way on how to send your tokens from your Metamask directly into your Phantom wallet. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to stick your tokens in your Metamask wallet. So kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel if you are new and stay connected. Let's get started. So here is my Phantom wallet. In order for you to send your tokens from your Metamask, you have to first of all come here over to your Phantom wallet and copy the address that you wanna be pasting in your Metamask. So you come over here and you click on this receive right here. Or if you don't want to click on this receive, you can just come over here and use this section. Click on this Solana section. All right, click on it. So you click on this. It will take you to this section. Just click on this receive over here. Then you click on this copy over here. You can decide to use the barcode option or use this, but we are gonna be using this. So you click on this copy over here. After clicking on your copy, then now head over to your Metamask. So here's my Metamask. You have to ensure, first of all, you have to ensure that you have some funds right here, showing up right here, okay? Ensure you have some funds right here. So after ensuring you have some funds right here, we now have to head over here and change our network to Solana, okay? So recently, the Metamask added Solana network to it so users can now transact seamlessly from your Metamask Solana, seamlessly from your Metamask to another wallet, okay? So you change that network now to Solana. You change that network to Solana, okay? You click on it. It's gonna change to Solana. Then you can now see that it has been changed to Solana with this icon over here. All right, so you click on it, but do not forget to ensure that you have some money in your wallet, okay? So you click on your Solana here. You click on it. Now that address that you copied from your Phantom wallet, you just have to go and copy that address. We've copied it already, okay? So we'll now click on this send. Is this section that we are going to be clicking on? You click on it. And after clicking on that send, now you can see here, after clicking on the send, you can see the number of, they ask us to paste that address right here. Okay, here you can see that there is 0.00 here, but you have to ensure that you have some Solana right here. After that, you enter your address, that address that we copied from Phantom wallet. You enter that address right here. Then after entering that address right here now, you click on this continue over here. You insert the number of tokens you want to be sending to your Phantom wallet, and you click on continue right here, okay? So you insert the number of the tokens. If it's 5 Solana, you insert it. Then you click on this continue. After clicking on this continue, you confirm your transactions. After confirming your transactions, immediately after confirming your transactions, your Solana is gonna be sent directly into your Metamask, into your Phantom wallet. Sorry, it's gonna be sending directly into your Phantom wallet. Now you can head over to your Phantom wallet and now see your money will be deposited straight into your Phantom wallet, okay? So guys, that's how you send your tokens from your Metamask wallet to your Phantom wallet. If you find this video interesting, kindly do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And is there anything you want to know, you are confused on, that you need more explanation on, kindly drop it at the comment section and I'll reply as soon as possible.